Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with another commission, another one for Alicia. This is drawing number 9 for her, and this time she wanted something epic with Beast Gohan. Alicia was inspired by this Vegeta drawing of mine and she wanted something similar with Beast Gohan, so let's go. I will draw a smaller Gohan in front in a nice action pose, and in the back I'm drawing Gohan Beast in rage, just like in that Vegeta drawing. After this one we will do the same with Trunks Super Saiyan Rage, and that will be commission number 10 for Alicia. As you can see, she's a huge supporter, I really appreciate it, and if you guys are also interested in custom drawings, message me on Instagram, Facebook or email, the links are down below. I'm drawing this pretty much from the mind, I just used some references for the poses, but most of it is freehand and the coloring will 100% be freehand art. So now let's enjoy the evolution of the line art together. Make sure to watch the whole video guys, so let's go. Alright guys, the line art is done, we have a great Gohan design, and the second layer of ink I will again do while coloring. I think that's way better, we can see the impact of those thick lines way better, and we also get to see the difference they make. For the coloring I'm using ATAGs and Ohuhu markers, and also some Copics. The color numbers are mentioned as always, and if you want to redraw this drawing but this video is too fast to follow, don't worry, I got a real-time channel and over there you can see all of these drawings uncut and in real time. These videos are up to 12 hours long, so make sure to check them out and follow my drawing steps in real time. Perfect. The Gohan in front is done. He looks great. I gave him a normal coloring, I would say, nothing too heavy or eye-catchy, because I want the Gohan in the back to stand out more, and therefore I will give him the heavy shades and more vibrant colors. With darker and deeper shades and also with a bit different and more vibrant color tones, the Gohan in the back will stand out more and will be the main focus. And if you guys are new to the channel and know nothing about commissions, let me explain it in quick terms. So basically, you are paying me so I can bring that vision in your mind into paper. We can draw your favorite character in an epic scene, or we can even draw you as an epic anime or Dragon Ball character. We can bring different anime worlds together. We can create a huge poster. The possibilities are endless. And to get started, you have to message me so we can talk about your unique piece of art. The links are down below, so hit me up and we will now finish the drawing, and I see you at the end with the final result. So guys, last touch and then commission number 9 for Alicia's done, and I think this is a great Beast Gohan drawing. I love the colors, the poses, and the face of the raging Gohan in a bag looks amazing. I managed to picture him very young, he really looks like a young man, so that's great. I also like the red lightning around him, and yeah, this is a great drawing in my opinion, and Alicia is also very happy with her next piece. Soon we will start with drawing number 10, which is Trunks Super Saiyan Rage as I said, so stay tuned for that. But next I'm going to start another A1 size banger, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, check out my online shop for original drawings and prints, subscribe to my real-time channel and message me for commissions, all the links in the info box and in the pinned comment. Thank you all for watching and I see you on the next